I'll be taking you through step 2 for installing our door viewer. I'm going to use my tape measure to get me a centered width. In addition, I want my height just under 5 feet. So where that cross is, that's where I'm going to drill. Now, although my door viewer requires a 1/2 inch hole, I'm going to start with an 1/8 inch bit. Next, I'm going to come back with my 1/2 inch drill bit, but I'm going to make sure not to go all the way through the door. Next, I'm going to come back on the other side of my door with my 1/2 inch bit. I now have my hole drilled.